Greetings. It's organic. We're back at it. Where are my manners? I haven't been really talking too much about the Ghede and the Ghede season that we're in because of everything that's going on in the country, and I really haven't spoke about our Taino lineage. I never, or it's been a while since I've talked about the indigenous people who were the Taino, who were the Arawak folks. If you notice, the Dominican government and that society, that community over there in the Dominican Republic, they do put more focus on emphasis on the Taino mythology and that energy that is an energy that should be for the entire island. And even though that lineage of people, many of them on this side of the island did not make it through, that doesn't mean that we should forget about the Taino people, the Taino culture. And again, I've said it before, if you are part of that maroon community from the mountains of different sections of Haiti, most likely you have Taino blood also in you. So it is what it is. So in Taino culture and mythology, you have the Hupia. Okay? Hupia. Hupia is the spirit or the spirit of a person who has died, passed over, and went to the other side. Okay? In Haitian voodoo, they would say, Namna oswa esprit munsa li traverse en bas de l'eau. It travels underneath the ocean. So, in the spiritual beliefs of the Taino people, Hupias, like I said, they are ghost spirits who are in harmony with the goeiza. Okay, that's how it's spelled. Okay, Goeiza, which means the spirit of the living. While the living has a definite human form, when they do pass away and they become part of the Hupia, they're formless. They can come and go in any shape. They live in a remote earthly paradise called Coaybay, and they're believed to sometimes appear in either a faceless human entity in front of you or in the form of a deceased loved one. Okay? When we're talking about Hupia and then we're comparing it with Ghede or with the spirits of the dead, one thing you should know with the culture we have today as Haitians or in Haitian mythology or in voodoo mythology, the spirit of or the soul of a lost individual or family member, you can reconnect with that person. There's ways to reconnect with that spirit with your candle, where the person can probably come talk to you in your sleep. Also, we are able to communicate with that family member that has passed on in different other ways. We can communicate with them in a bowl of water. It's not just like that. The practitioner or the person has to put things in order for you to be able to tap in and connect with that spirit. But the Hupia is real. It was a real thing for the Taino people, and it's a real thing for us when we're talking about the Ghede, when we're talking about Bawon, when we're talking about Gun Brigitte. Anyway, you guys continue to support I Eat Organic, and I'll come up with another video.